Welcome to the ultimate showdown between the Asus ProArt PZ13, Asus ProArt PX13, and the Dell XPS 13 top contenders for creative professionals in 2025. Stick around until the end, where I'll reveal the overall winner and the best choice for your needs. I've included links in the description for the latest prices and deals to help you make the smartest purchase. Don't forget to like the video, it makes a huge difference. Let's get started. The Asus ProArt PZ13 is a fascinating attempt to bring the detachable two-in-one experience to a wider audience. While it shares a similar concept with Microsoft's Surface Pro, it carves its own path with some unique design choices and a focus on affordability. One of the most striking differences lies in its construction. Unlike the Surface Pro's two-piece design, the ProArt introduces a third element, a separate kickstand. This detachable kickstand magnetically attaches to the back of the screen, offering flexibility but also adding complexity. While theoretically allowing for lighter travel without the keyboard, the added weight of the kickstand makes the ProArt significantly heavier than the Surface Pro when configured for use. The ProArt also makes some interesting hardware choices. It opts for a Qualcomm Snapdragon X Plus processor, aiming for better battery life. Indeed, the ProArt excels in this area, delivering truly impressive endurance. However, this performance boost comes at the cost of processing power. The Snapdragon X Plus, while sufficient for everyday tasks and web browsing, struggles with demanding applications and AI-powered features. This is particularly noticeable in graphics performance and AI benchmarks, where it lags significantly behind other devices in this category. Despite these performance limitations, the ProArt boasts a decent display, albeit not as vibrant or bright as the Surface Pro's. It features a spacious 1 TB SSD, offering plenty of storage for your files and applications. The inclusion of a full-size SD card slot is a welcome addition, enhancing its versatility. However, the placement of this slot and one of the USB-C ports under a rigid plastic flap feels like an unnecessary complication. The included keyboard, while functional, lacks the sophistication of Microsoft's Flex keyboard. It provides a decent typing experience, but feels a bit cramped on a 13-inch device. Additionally, the keyboard must be physically attached for use, unlike the more flexible options available on some competing devices. The Asus ProArt PZ13 presents an intriguing alternative to the Surface Pro. Its unique design and focus on affordability make it a compelling option for those seeking a detachable two-in-one experience. However, the performance limitations and the slightly cumbersome three-piece design might deter users who prioritize power and portability above all else. The Asus ProArt PX13 is a captivating blend of power and artistry, a two-in-one laptop that truly stands out from the crowd. Its sleek design, coupled with an exceptional OLED display, immediately draws you in. But beyond the aesthetics, it boasts a formidable arsenal of features designed to empower creators. At the heart of this machine lies a potent combination of an AMD Ryzen AI 9 HX370 CPU and an RTX 40 series GPU, ensuring effortless handling of demanding creative tasks. Whether you're editing intricate videos in Premiere Pro or diving deep into the complexities of Photoshop, it delivers the performance you need. One of the most striking aspects of the PX13 is its innovative integration of AI. Two captivating apps, Musetree and StoryCube, unlock a world of creative possibilities. Musetree, for instance, allows you to generate AI-powered images based on your own sketches or textual descriptions. While the results can sometimes be a bit whimsical, the process itself is incredibly engaging and sparks the imagination. StoryCube, on the other hand, leverages AI to intelligently organize your photo library, grouping images based on facial recognition and even scene analysis. This intelligent categorization system can be a real time saver, making it easier to find and relive cherished memories. Its versatility extends beyond its impressive hardware and AI capabilities. Its two-in-one design offers unparalleled flexibility, allowing you to seamlessly transition from laptop mode to tablet mode depending on your needs. The sturdy build and military-grade durability ensure that this machine can withstand the rigors of everyday use, making it an ideal companion for creators on the go. While it excels in many areas, it's not without its minor shortcomings. The 60 Hz refresh rate of the display, while still perfectly adequate for most tasks, might disappoint some users who crave the responsiveness of higher refresh rates. Additionally, the inclusion of the Asus Pen 2.0 can vary depending on the retailer, requiring an additional purchase for some users. Despite these minor drawbacks, the Asus ProArt PX13 remains a truly impressive machine. Its captivating design, powerful performance, and innovative AI features make it an ideal choice for creative professionals and aspiring artists alike. The Dell XPS 13 has long been a stalwart in the ultra-portable laptop category, and the latest iteration with Intel's Core Ultra 200V processors continues this legacy. This sleek machine boasts a minimalist design, impressive performance, and a truly remarkable battery life, making it a compelling option for a wide range of users. One of the standout features of the XPS 13 is its display. While the base model with an FHD LCD panel offers decent performance, it suffers from muted colors and could benefit from increased brightness. However, the optional 3K tandem OLED display is a visual treat, delivering vibrant colors and deep blacks that make movies and images truly come alive. Performance-wise, it holds its own. The Intel Core Ultra 7 258V processor, while not the most powerful in its class, provides ample power for everyday tasks, including multitasking, web browsing, and even some light gaming. The integrated Intel Arc graphics deliver respectable gaming performance at 1080p settings, allowing you to enjoy casual games without the need for a dedicated graphics card. Battery life is arguably the most impressive aspect of the XPS 13. The non-OLED model boasts an astonishing 18 hours and 34 minutes of web surfing time, setting a new benchmark for ultra-portable laptops. While the OLED model's battery life is significantly shorter due to the power demands of the display, it still provides ample juice for a full workday. However, it isn't without its shortcomings. The minimalist design, while aesthetically pleasing, results in a cramped keyboard that can be uncomfortable for extended typing sessions. Additionally, the limited port selection, with only 2 Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports, may require the use of a USB-C hub for those who rely on numerous peripherals. Overall, the Dell XPS 13 9350 is a compelling ultra-portable laptop that offers a compelling blend of performance, style, and battery life. While the base model with the FHD LCD panel provides a solid foundation, the optional OLED display elevates the viewing experience to a whole new level. However, potential buyers should carefully consider their needs and priorities, particularly with regard to display quality and port selection, before making their final decision. So, which laptop should you buy in 2025? The Asus ProArt PZ13, PX13, or Dell XPS 13? If you're on a budget and want a detachable 2-in-1, the ProArt PZ13 is a solid choice, though it lacks power. For ultra-portable elegance and amazing battery life, the Dell XPS 13 is unbeatable. But if you're a creative professional looking for the ultimate performance, versatility, and innovative AI tools, the Asus ProArt PX13 stands out as the overall winner. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the latest deals, and if you found this helpful, give it a like.